Business management is the backbone of any successful organization. It is the art of coordinating resources, people, and processes to achieve specific goals. Imagine a conductor leading an orchestra. Just like the conductor harmonizes different instruments to create beautiful music, a business manager synchronizes various elements of an organization to achieve desired outcomes. Effective business management is crucial for driving growth, profitability, and sustainability. Without proper management, even the most brilliant ideas can falter. Imagine a ship without a captain. It would drift aimlessly, susceptible to storms and hidden dangers. Business management provides the compass and the rudder, guiding the organization towards its intended destination. It brings order to chaos, ensuring that everyone is working towards a common goal. In essence, it's about making the most of available resources while navigating the complexities of the business world. The importance of business management cannot be overstated. It's the driving force that transforms vision into reality, ensuring that businesses not only survive, but thrive in today's dynamic and competitive marketplace. To navigate the complexities of business, managers rely on a structured approach. This is where the POLC framework comes in, a cornerstone of management principles. It stands for planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, representing the 4 key functions of management. Planning is like laying the foundation of a house. It involves setting clear objectives, defining strategies, and developing action plans. For instance, a manager launching a new product would plan marketing campaigns, sales targets, and production timelines. Organizing involves allocating resources, both human and capital, to different tasks and departments. It's about creating an efficient structure and ensuring everyone has the necessary tools and support. Imagine a well-organized library where books are categorized and easily accessible. Leading is about inspiring and motivating employees to work towards shared goals. It's about communication, delegation, and fostering a positive work environment. Think of a football coach rallying their team before a big game. Controlling involves monitoring performance, identifying deviations from the plan, and taking corrective actions. It's about ensuring things stay on track and goals are met. Think of a pilot adjusting the course mid-flight to account for wind conditions. Wearing the manager's hat comes with a multitude of responsibilities. They are the orchestrators, the problem solvers, and the cheerleaders all rolled into one. Their roles are diverse and demanding, requiring a unique blend of skills and qualities. One key responsibility is decision-making. Managers are constantly faced with choices, from strategic decisions impacting the entire organization to operational decisions affecting daily tasks. They gather information, analyze options, and choose the best course of action. Another crucial aspect is communication. Managers act as a bridge between different levels of the organization. They communicate goals and expectations to their team, provide feedback, and listen to employee concerns. Effective communication is vital for maintaining transparency and fostering a collaborative environment. Managers also play a crucial role in mentoring and developing their team members. They identify individual strengths, provide opportunities for growth, and offer guidance and support. By nurturing talent, managers contribute to the long-term success of both the individuals and the organization. In essence, a manager's role is multifaceted, requiring a balance of strategic thinking, interpersonal skills, and a results-oriented approach. They are the driving force behind team performance and organizational success. Section 4. From Classical to Modern, a walk through management's evolution. Management, like any field, has undergone a fascinating evolution over the years. From the rigid structures of the classical era to the flexible approaches of modern management, each school of thought has contributed to our understanding of effective organizational practices. The classical approach, prevalent in the early 20th century, emphasized efficiency and productivity. Think of assembly lines and standardized tasks. Pioneers like Frederick Taylor and Henry Fayol introduced concepts like scientific management and administrative principles, laying the groundwork for modern management practices. However, the human element was often overlooked in the pursuit of efficiency. This led to the rise of the human relations movement in the mid-20th century. Think of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and the importance of employee motivation. This movement emphasized the social and psychological aspects of work, recognizing that happy and engaged employees are more productive. The contingency approach emerged as a more nuanced perspective, acknowledging that there is no one-size-fits-all solution in management. This approach emphasizes adapting management styles and practices based on the specific situation and organizational context. Think of a company adjusting its leadership style based on the market dynamics and the nature of its workforce. Section 5. The importance of adaptability in management theories. As the business landscape continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, driven by technological advancements and globalization, the need for adaptability in management theories has never been greater. The rigid structures and principles of the past are no longer sufficient to navigate the complexities of today's dynamic environment. Modern management theories, such as agile and lean management, embrace flexibility and iterative progress. These approaches prioritize responding to change, empowering teams, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Think of software development teams constantly adapting to user feedback and market demands. The key takeaway is that management is not a static field. It's an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and refining approaches based on the specific challenges and opportunities presented by the ever-changing business world. By embracing the principles of adaptability, managers can position their organizations for success in the face of uncertainty and constant evolution. Section 6. Business Management Fundamentals, a Foundation for Success. Understanding the fundamentals of business management is akin to having a strong foundation for a skyscraper. It provides the essential knowledge and skills to make informed decisions, navigate challenges, and lead teams effectively. Whether one aspires to be a CEO, an entrepreneur, or simply an effective team player, these principles are universally applicable. They equip individuals with the tools to analyze situations, optimize resources, and drive positive outcomes. Moreover, mastering these fundamentals fosters confidence and credibility. It enables individuals to communicate effectively with stakeholders, make persuasive arguments, and inspire trust in their leadership abilities. In conclusion, investing in understanding business management fundamentals is an investment in one's professional growth and future success. The best 4 business books, just $4 and free audiobook link in the description. Section 7. Conclusion. Embracing the journey of business management. Mastering business management is not a destination, but an ongoing journey of learning, adapting, and refining one's skills. It's about embracing the challenges and opportunities that come with leading teams, making strategic decisions, and navigating the complexities of the business world. By understanding the core principles, embracing adaptability, and continuously seeking to expand their knowledge, aspiring managers and seasoned professionals alike can position themselves for success in today's dynamic and ever-evolving business landscape. Remember, the most effective managers are not born but made through a combination of education, experience, and a willingness to embrace the transformative power of effective management practices.